Let's see how to replace all occurrences of a word in Visual Studio Code. So let's say that this is my code, and I want to replace all of the occurrences of fishing with chess. So I have several options. One option is to double click on the word that I want to replace, fishing in my case, and then press on Ctrl H. And we can see that fishing was written in the first box, and in the second box I'm going to write the text that I want fishing to be replaced with, in my case, chess. Now I have two options. I can go through the occurrences one by one by clicking here, where it says replace. And if I want to skip over one of them, I can click here to go to the next one, and then I can keep replacing. The alternative is to click here, and this will replace all occurrences. And now wherever I had fishing, I now have chess. Another alternative is to just click once on the word that I want to replace, and then press on Ctrl-Shift-L. If you're on Mac, it's going to be Command-Shift-L. As you can see, all of the occurrences were selected, and now when I write the new text, all of them are replaced simultaneously.